It's already on the job. Some of the projects are already on the job. But as you are aware that rejuvenation of the streams, rivers is not a short-term measures. So we are going for a long-term measures. In certain cases, we are planting lots of trees. Afforestations are being done, and in some of the cases, we are creating trenches. To retain the water, rainwater, because the government of India also stresses for the catch the rain where it falls. So to catch the rain where it falls, we are creating trenches also. That is also helping a lot, because the moment the rains come in, it goes inside the trenches and it soaks in the soil inside. So that's how rejuvenation part starts there.
So under this phase two, so it's not about laying pipes, right? Laying pipes task is
Those
not done.
projects which are undergoing, they are also doing the laying of pipes, everything. Other than the projects, other than the ongoing projects, those completed projects are also to be monitored.
How many projects have you identified where the project is completed, still the water is not coming?
Exact number is not with me right now, but
But
there are projects. But that's what people are saying. People are those bloggers are also going and saying, "Oh, JJM is not successful." I'm telling each and every one of them. I would request them as well. No, we will not leave aside all those projects like that. We will make sure that functionality is there, and for that matter, we will be requesting all the stakeholders to cooperate with the government to make it functional and for the sustainability of the projects.